Oh, no fun.
Hey friends! I'm so happy you can join us as we dive into another lesson. How about we get things started with a warm-up for our brains? Let's practice the sounds for the letters I'm about to show you. Ready? All right, watch me. Mmm. Let's do it together. Mmm. Now you say the sound. Mmm. That's great! Let's keep going. Say the sound for each letter you see. I says I and I says I. TH says th, like in the word thumb, and TH says th, like in the word that. ILD says isled. DGE says j. OLD says old. T says t. K says k. Fantastic work! Now, let's practice writing lowercase letters. When practicing writing lowercase letters, you can write on a piece of paper, whiteboard, or in the air with your finger. Watch me. Sound is p. Let's do it together. P. Terrific job, my friends! Now you try. When I say a sound, write the letter that matches the sound. O. We can spell the sound O with the letter O. We can also spell the sound O with the letters O, magic E. Here is your next sound. K. We can spell the sound K with the letter K. We can also spell the sound K with the letter C. And we can also spell the sound K with the letters C, K. Our next sound is oast. We spell the sound oast with the letters O-S-T. Our next sound is S. That's right. We spell the sound S with the letter S. We can also spell the sound S with the letter C. Our next sound is olt. Great work! We can spell the sound olt with the letters O-L-T. Well, I feel warmed up and ready to go. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with today's exciting lesson. I will see you there, my friends. Bye for now!